What if a single word could stop a storm, heal a heart, and unite an entire planet? That's what Rullo, a little drum with a big secret, discovered. Rullo wasn't just any drum. He lived in the echo forest, a place where every sound kept bouncing around forever. He used to play cheerful rhythms, until one day a big fight broke out among the forest instruments. No one remembered how the conflict began, only that everyone was shouting and no sound harmonized with another. The violins screeched. The trumpets huffed. The flutes cried out sad notes non-stop. In the middle of the chaos, Rullo tried to set the rhythm of peace, but no one listened. Then Leah appeared, a magical sheet of music that had lost all its lines. Without forgiveness, there is no melody, she whispered to Rullo as she floated beside him. But Rullo didn't know how to say sorry. He had never done it before. He felt like a drum without words. Leah told him, it's not about saying it perfectly, but about saying it truthfully. With fear in his rivets, Rullo gave a soft beat and said, I'm sorry. At first, nothing happened. The echo repeated his words thousands of times, floating between trees and branches. Then something unexpected happened, the wind stopped. The sad notes faded away. One by one, the other instruments began to remember the beginning of harmony. The harp stopped trembling. The double bass lowered its grumpy tone. But just when it seemed peace would return, a blue lightning bolt struck the measure tree. The tree, the heart of the forest, began to wither. Its leaves fell like burned sheet music. Everyone ran, thinking the forest would disappear forever. But Leah didn't flee. She floated toward the tree and said, one more forgiveness is needed. Rullo understood. It wasn't enough to say I'm sorry to others. He had to forgive himself for staying silent for so long. He closed his metal eyes, softly struck his center, and murmured, I forgive myself. The echo repeated that phrase, but this time it didn't bounce, it stayed warm in the air. Suddenly, the measure tree let out a pure note, bright as the moon. A new line appeared on Leah's body. The forest's melody was beginning to be written again. The instruments, still confused, began to play softly, guided by that deep forgiveness. Each note became a leaf, each leaf a harmony. The forest began to breathe again. No one knew how it happened, but from that day on, in every corner of the forest a soft, sincere, and healing I'm sorry could be heard. Rullo was never afraid to use his voice again. And Leah, now whole, flew around teaching the power of a single word. The echo forest became the forest of forgiveness, where every mistake was the beginning of a new song. Since then, every visitor had to say, I'm sorry, before entering, so the magic would never die. Moral, asking for forgiveness, and forgiving yourself, can heal more than you imagine. See you very soon with more magical stories that will take you to incredible worlds.